My dear students, my dear viewers, once again welcome to my virtual learning space. In this video we are going to have back to back, we are going to solve. All these problems are problems related to how to find worth of a bond, present worth of a bond, calculation of present worth of a bond. So we have learned the formula in the previous video to find the worth of a bond. What is this formula? The formula goes like this: B0 is equal to C into F into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus R raised to T whole divided by R plus F divided by 1 plus R raised to T. So this is the formula, and based on this formula we are going to solve different kinds of problems in this video. So the first problem, we have already done this for a beginning, and for the continuity I thought let's start with this problem. Problem number 1. Navratna Limited issued debentures with a face value of ₹1000 and the maturity period is 5 years. The rate of interest payable by the company on the debenture is 10% per annum. Appropriate capitalization rate is 8%. Calculate the present value of the bond. So if you have the question, calculate the present value of bond, it is nothing but calculation of B0, and we have all the parameters for solving the problem. F is equal to 1000, maturity period, that is what is called T in the formula, 5 years. Rate of interest payable by the company on the debenture is 10%, that is what is called coupon rate, C. 10% is equal to 0.10. Then appropriate capitalization rate, that is 8%, R is equal to 8%, so 0.08. Let us solve the problem using the formula. 0.10 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1.08, 1 minus 1 divided by 1.08 raised to 5 whole divided by 0.08 plus 1000 divided by 1.08 raised to 5. So is equal to 100 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1.4693 whole divided by 0.08 plus 1000 divided by 1.4693. Again 100 multiplied by 1 minus 0.6805 divided by 0.08 plus 680.596, that is equal to 100 multiplied by 3.9925 plus 680.596. So it is equal to 399.25 plus 680.596 is equal to 1079.84. So the final answer is 1079.846 is equal to 1079.846, the final answer. So this is the final answer. Okay, I hope it was easy for you to follow the way I solved the problem, and it was easy to understand. Okay, so this is the first problem we have solved. Shall we move to the second one? Okay, let us move to the second one. So how much would an investor pay to purchase a bond today, which is redeemable in 4 years for its par value or face value of rupees 100, and pays an annual coupon of 5% on the par value? The required rate of return or yield for a bond in this risk class is 4%. Again, you have everything to solve the problem in the question. So F is equal to face value 100, C coupon rate 5%, that means 0.05, maturity period T is equal to 4, capitalization rate, that is R in the formula, R is equal to 4%, that means 0.04. So what is our equation? Once again I write it. B0 is equal to C into F into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus R raised to T whole divided by R plus F divided by 1 plus R raised to T. Okay, so B0 is equal to C 0.05 multiplied by face value 100 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 0. 1 minus 1 divided by 0.04 raised to 4 whole divided by 0.04 plus 100 divided by 1.04 raised to 4. So there is a correction here. Here it is like 1.04 raised to 4. Okay, so let us solve it. So it's equal to 5 into 1 minus 0.8548 whole divided by 0.04 plus 100 divided by 1.1698. So 5 into 0.1452 divided by 0.04 plus 85.4846 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3.63 plus 85.4846, so it comes to 18.15 plus 85.4846. So the final answer will be 103.6346. So B0 is equal to 103.6346. So when it comes to decimals, there could be some variations. Don't bother about it. Okay, so this is how we solve problem number 2. I hope you follow with me. So let us move to problem number 3. Read the problem. A 5-year bond with a coupon payment of rupees 11 and the maturity value of rupees 80 is currently selling at rupees 110. The required rate of return is 10%. Advise the investor whether to buy or not this security. So what we are doing is trying to find out the intrinsic value of the bond and comparing it with market value of the bond, and we decide whether it is a good proposal or not to buy or not to buy the bond. So in this problem, one issue is instead of coupon rate, they have given coupon payment. So we have given coupon payment instead of coupon rate. Coupon payment is rupees 11. So we have to find coupon rate. How to find coupon rate? Coupon payment is 11%. So instead of rate, the actual amount is given, which is given per year. So it is easy to find out the coupon rate. How do you find out the coupon rate? So let us assume coupon rate is an alphabet, say for example X. So C is equal to 80 into X divided by 100 is equal to 11. So the 11 rupees is some percentage of 80, which is the face value, which is the maturity value of the bond. So when you solve this, we get the coupon rate. So X is equal to 11 into 100 multiplied by 80 is equal to 13.75%. So this is the coupon rate. C is equal to 13.75%. Rest of the parameters are given in the problem. F is equal to 80, rupees 80. R is equal to 0.10. Then what else we need? It is a 5-year bond. So T is equal to 5 years. So apply the parameters directly to the formula which we have already learned. So B0 is equal to 0.1375 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1.10 raised to 5 whole divided by 0.10 plus 80 divided by 1.10 raised to 5. So again 11 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1.6105 whole divided by 0.10 plus 80 divided by 1.61051. When we solve it again, it comes to like this: 11 multiplied by 0.3791 divided by 0.10 plus 49.6737. So when we solve that, is equal to 11 multiplied by 3.791 plus 49.6737. So the final answer will be 41.701 plus 49.6737, that is 91.3747. So the final answer is B0 is equal to 91.3747. So the intrinsic value of the bond is less than the market value. So write a note. Note is like this, or the answer to the problem is like this. It is not advisable. It is not advisable to buy the bond. To buy the bond. Why? The intrinsic value is less than the market price of the bond. So that is the reason we say it is not advisable to buy the bond. Present worth of the bond is not attractive when it comes to the prevailing market price of the bond. Okay, so let us move to the fourth problem. So problem number 4, a rupees 100 par value bond bearing a coupon rate of 12% will mature after 5 years. What is the face value of the bond if the discount rate is 15%? So face value is 100, coupon rate is 12%, time period, maturity period is 5 years, discount rate is 15%. So follow the formula and substitute the values. So you will be able to get this answer. So B0 in this problem will be 89.9448. B0 is equal to 89.9448. So there could be some variations in the decimals. So accordingly the exact answer might be somewhat different. Instead of 89.94, you might be getting 89.26, 89.85, even 90.01. So all those answers would be considered right, provided you follow all the steps and solve the problem, so that the examiner will be able to understand, okay, you know the concept and you solved the problem properly. Okay, shall we go to the fifth problem? Fifth problem, compute the value of a 10-year bond and face value of rupees 1000 with a coupon interest rate of 12%. The bond is to be redeemed at par value. The investor's required yield is 13%. So 10-year bond, so T is equal to 10, face value is rupees 1000, coupon interest rate is 12%, our required rate of return is 13%. So let us solve the problem. B0 is equal to C into F into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus R raised to T whole divided by R plus F divided by 1 plus R raised to T. So the same formula we have studied. So when we solve the problem, I have given the step by step process, the final answer will be 945.7372. Okay.